Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Good morning. How are you all today? I hope you are all in a good health. I'm Teacher Aqilah from Pre-Vocational Program. For today cooking class, we will be making egg sandwich. Have you ever eat this before? Now, without further ado, let's begin our cooking class. These are the things you need. First, a boiled egg, butter or margarine, mayonnaise, some bread, and pepper. First, you need to smash the boiled eggs using fork. Be careful when using the fork. Smash the boiled eggs until the texture become like this. Then you add some mayonnaise. After that, add some pepper. Now you mix them all together until it is mixed well. Mix, mix, and mix. After you have finished mixing them together, put it aside and take some bread and butter. Spread the butter on each side of the bread. Then, add the egg mixture and spread it onto the bread evenly. After that, assemble the bread like this. Now, your egg sandwich is done. Doesn't the egg sandwich look tasty? You can try to make this at home with your parents. Okay, students, that is all for our today cooking class. Hope to see you again in our next video. Stay home, stay safe, and take care. Bye-bye.